Hi, my name's Ron. What I have here is a 2009 Chevrolet box truck with about 30,000 miles, 30,518 I believe. Has a 6-liter gas V8. This was a GSA vehicle we got out of Dallas, government service vehicle, and it is very, very nice. Kind of like, you know, really like new nice. The tires on the front are excellent. Rear tires are kind of average. Interior is just unbelievably nice. I've got it running here with the air conditioner on. You can see the seats, power windows. Of course, it's automatic. AM/FM CD. Seats are like new on both sides. Has a slide through. What I would call a 12-foot box. Looks like it must have been always inside or something. The paint on it's just unbelievable. Paint's just like new. Box is like new. 1,250 pound lift. Watco lift. Does not look like it's ever had a hitch on it, so it's probably never pulled anything. £1,250 power Watco lift. It's all white. It doesn't look like it's ever had a sign on it or anything. Like I say, the rear tires are just average. Front tires are real good. And this is beautiful. Look how pretty it is inside. Doesn't look like anybody's ever been in here. Dash, windshield, everything. Just paint is fabulous. If you have an interest in this, give me a call. My name's Ron. I'm at 918-924-5252. And there'll be a link down there below the video in the description box. Just click on that link you see. It's just right below the video you're watching. And I'll try and put 30, 40, 50 pictures in there. Any questions, just give me a call. 918-924-5252. Thanks.